Throughout history, some of the greatest minds, spiritual leaders, and even modern scientists have unknowingly tapped into the principles of quantum consciousness. They may not have called it quantum mechanics or entanglement, but they understood one fundamental truth. Focused thought, energy alignment, and intention have the power to shape reality. Nikola Tesla, the genius who understood energy fields. Nikola Tesla, one of the most brilliant inventors in history, often spoke of an unseen energy field that connected all things. He famously said, "If you want to find the secrets of the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." Tesla believed that the human brain was a transmitter and receiver of energy, and that tapping into the right frequencies could unlock limitless potential. He himself often accessed his inventions in a vision before even putting them on paper, a practice strikingly similar to modern quantum visualization techniques. Ancient yogis and the concept of prana, life energy. Thousands of years before quantum physics, ancient yogis and spiritual masters spoke of prana, a life energy flowing through all living beings. They understood that our thoughts and emotions influence this energy field, and that practices like meditation, breathwork, and mantra chanting could align an individual with higher states of consciousness. This mirrors what modern quantum physics suggests. Consciousness is not just within the brain, it extends outward, interacting with the fabric of reality. Scientific proof: the mind's influence on reality. 1. The double-slit experiment. One of the most famous quantum experiments, the double-slit experiment, demonstrated that particles behave differently depending on whether or not they are observed. This means that conscious observation directly influences the physical world, a discovery that supports the idea that our minds are actively shaping reality at a quantum level. 2. The placebo effect. Thought over matter. The placebo effect is another striking example of quantum consciousness in action. When people believe they are receiving real medication, their bodies often heal, even if they were only given a sugar pill. This suggests that belief alone has the power to alter physical reality. 3. The Maharishi effect. Collective consciousness and reality shaping. A remarkable study known as the Maharishi effect found that when a critical mass of people meditated on peace and positivity, crime rates dropped significantly in those areas. This suggests that collective consciousness has a measurable impact on the external world, further proving that the mind is entangled with reality at a quantum level. Real-life success story: overcoming struggles with quantum principles. Let's look at a real-life story of someone who applied these principles and transformed their life. Meet a person who faced immense challenges, perhaps financial struggles, depression, or illness. They felt stuck, powerless, and trapped in negative patterns. But instead of staying in that state, they began practicing quantum visualization, subconscious reprogramming, and energy alignment techniques. They saw themselves already living their desired reality, felt the emotions as if it were happening, and consistently reinforced these beliefs every day. Within months, their reality began shifting. They attracted unexpected opportunities, their health improved, and they experienced success that once seemed impossible. What changed? Their energy, their thoughts, and their alignment with the quantum field. The evidence is everywhere. Will you use it? Science, history, and personal experiences all point to one undeniable truth. Your mind is not separate from reality. It is shaping it. The only question is, are you doing it intentionally or unintentionally? The power of quantum consciousness isn't just for scientists, mystics, or historical geniuses. It's for you. You have the ability to unlock your hidden energy, align with the frequencies of success, and manifest the reality you desire. The ultimate quantum unlock: becoming the master of your reality. Once you master quantum entanglement on a subconscious level, you become the architect of your destiny. You'll notice increased intuition and synchronicities, rapid manifestation of your desires, a deep sense of purpose and energy like never before. Now that you understand the quantum connection between your mind and reality, it's time to take action. Start by practicing these techniques daily and watch as your hidden energy awakens. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts below. Let's unlock the quantum power within us together. The ultimate quantum unlock: becoming the master of your reality. You've made it this far, and now comes the most exciting part, the ultimate quantum unlock. Once you master quantum entanglement on a subconscious level, you become the architect of your destiny. You will begin to notice incredible changes in your life, including increased intuition and synchronicities, rapid manifestation of your desires, a deep sense of purpose and limitless energy. Imagine waking up every day feeling in tune with the universe. The right people, opportunities, and experiences flow effortlessly into your life. Your mind is clear, your energy is vibrant, and the reality you once dreamed of is now your everyday existence. How to maintain and strengthen your quantum alignment. 1. Daily quantum meditation. Set aside 10 to 15 minutes every day to reconnect with the quantum field. The more consistently you practice, the stronger your energy alignment becomes. 2. Thought and frequency mastery. Every thought you have is a quantum command to the universe. Monitor your inner dialogue. Keep it aligned with the reality you want to create. 3. Visualization and embodiment. Don't just wish for change, embody it. Live as if your desires have already manifested. Feel the emotions, act with confidence, and watch reality reshape around you. The ultimate truth: you are the creator. Now, let's address the most important realization of all. You are not separate from the universe. You are not just an observer, you are a creator. Everything around you, your relationships, your finances, your success, is a reflection of your internal quantum state. When you shift your inner world, your outer world follows. This is not philosophy. This is not just theory. This is the hidden science of existence, and now you hold the key to unlocking it. Now that you understand the quantum connection between your mind and reality, it's time to take action. Start practicing these techniques daily and watch as your hidden energy awakens. If you found this video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment your thoughts below. Have you ever experienced a moment where your thoughts seemed to shape reality? Let's build a community of awakened minds. Together, we unlock the quantum power within. Hello. What if I told you that your mind holds the key to an energy source so powerful, so limitless, that it could completely transform your life? What if I told you that within you lies a hidden power, one that connects you to everything in the universe, beyond space and time itself? For centuries, scientists and spiritual seekers alike have been searching for answers about the nature of reality, about what truly connects us all. And in the depths of quantum physics, they made a discovery so mind-bending that even Albert Einstein called it spooky action at a distance. This discovery is known as quantum entanglement, and it reveals a fundamental truth about the universe. Everything is interconnected. Two particles can become entangled, meaning they share an inseparable bond. No matter how far apart they are, whether a few millimeters or across galaxies, when one particle changes, the other responds instantaneously. It's as if they are communicating faster than the speed of light. Now, you might be wondering, that's fascinating, but what does this have to do with me? What if I told you that quantum entanglement isn't just happening on the scale of subatomic particles, but also within your own mind? What if I told you that your subconscious thoughts, your deepest emotions, and your hidden beliefs are entangled with the very fabric of reality? And once you master this hidden connection, you can tap into an infinite source of energy, one that unlocks profound levels of intuition, creativity, manifestation, and spiritual awakening, expanding the mystery, the hidden science of quantum consciousness. Think about this for a moment. Every single thought you have emits energy. Every belief, every fear, every desire, these are not just abstract ideas in your mind. They have a real measurable impact on the world around you. Just like quantum particles, your thoughts collapse into reality when you focus on them with intention. This is not science fiction. This is the quantum nature of your own consciousness. Scientists have proven that observation itself alters the outcome of an experiment. This means that consciousness influences reality at the quantum level. If a simple act of observing a particle can change its state, imagine what happens when you consistently focus your mind on a goal, a dream, or an energy frequency. This is where quantum physics meets the subconscious mind. The greatest thinkers in history intuitively understood this concept. Nikola Tesla once said, "If you want to understand the universe, think in terms of energy, frequency, and vibration." Einstein believed that everything in life is energy, and your energy determines your reality. Buddha spoke about the power of the mind in shaping our world. And now, modern quantum physics is proving what spiritual traditions have known for millennia. But here's the most important part. You are already entangled with the universe. Right now, whether you realize it or not, your subconscious mind is constantly interacting with the quantum field. The question is, are you in control of this connection, or is it controlling you? The energy you hold within, how quantum entanglement affects your life. Every emotion, every subconscious belief, every deeply held thought acts like a frequency signal that sends out energy into the universe. The things you focus on, whether it's fear, doubt, love, or success, become entangled with your reality. And because quantum entanglement operates beyond time and space, these thoughts start pulling in experiences, opportunities, and even people that match their energy frequency. Have you ever had a moment where you thought of someone and suddenly they called you? Or maybe you had a strong feeling about something and it came true? These are not coincidences. This is your subconscious mind interacting with the quantum field. But most people are not aware of how much control they actually have over this process. They live their lives unaware that their thoughts, beliefs, and emotions are constantly shaping their reality. They experience struggle, lack, and negativity, not because they are doomed, but because their subconscious is programmed to focus on those low energy frequencies. The turning point. How you can master quantum entanglement and unlock your hidden energy. Here's the good news. You can take back control. You can learn to master quantum entanglement and use it to unlock an energy source so powerful that it will elevate every aspect of your life. Your intuition, your creativity, your relationships, your ability to manifest your dreams. In the next part of this video, I will show you step-by-step how to reprogram your subconscious mind to align with quantum energy. Use visualization and deep intention to shift reality in your favor. Tap into ancient energy practices that work in harmony with quantum physics. Instantly raise your vibration and access intuitive knowledge beyond logic. This is not just about understanding quantum physics. This is about becoming a master of your own reality. So stay with me as we dive even deeper, because once you understand this, your entire life will change forever. What is quantum entanglement? Quantum entanglement is one of the strangest and most powerful phenomena in physics. When two particles become entangled, their states remain linked no matter how far apart they are. If one particle changes, the other reacts instantly, defying classical physics and even Einstein's theories. But what does this have to do with you? Well, quantum entanglement isn't just about physics. It's about consciousness, reality, and the energy that connects everything in the universe, including your subconscious mind. Quantum entanglement is one of the most mysterious and powerful phenomena in physics. It challenges everything we thought we knew about space, time, and reality itself. Imagine two particles that become entangled, meaning that no matter how far apart they are, even if one is on Earth and the other is in a distant galaxy, they remain instantly connected. If one particle's state changes, the other reacts immediately, as if they were never truly separated. This defies the very foundation of classical physics, and even shook Albert Einstein to his core. He famously called it spooky action at a distance. To this day, scientists are still trying to fully understand why and how quantum entanglement works. But what's even more fascinating is what this means beyond just physics. You see, entanglement isn't limited to subatomic particles. It extends into consciousness, energy, and the very fabric of reality itself. And this is where you come in. Quantum entanglement and the hidden power of your mind. Everything in the universe, from the stars in the sky to the neurons in your brain, is made up of quantum particles. And just like those tiny entangled particles, your thoughts, emotions, and subconscious beliefs are also entangled with reality. This means that the way you think, feel, and perceive the world actually affects the world around you. Scientists have proven that observation alone can influence quantum states, meaning that your awareness, your focus, and your intention are actively shaping the reality you experience every day. But if quantum entanglement is so powerful, why don't we notice it in our daily lives? The truth is, we've been conditioned to believe that we are separate disconnected individuals. We've been taught that the universe is out there, and we are merely observers. But in reality, you are not separate from the universe. You are woven into it, entangled with everything at the deepest level. How quantum entanglement unlocks hidden energy. Once you understand that your mind is not isolated but deeply interconnected with the world around you, you begin to see how you can harness this hidden energy. You begin to recognize that every thought, every intention, every emotional frequency you emit is sending out waves, entangling with the world in ways you might not even realize. Think of it like an invisible web, an interconnected energy network where everything is influencing everything else. The only question is, are you using this energy consciously, or is it shaping your life without your awareness? This is where the real power of mastering quantum entanglement comes in. By learning how to align your thoughts and emotions with the quantum field, you can unlock a hidden reservoir of energy, intuition, and even manifestation power that most people never tap into. So now that we understand what quantum entanglement is, let's go even deeper. Because the next step is learning how your subconscious mind plays a crucial role in harnessing this energy and shaping the reality you experience every day. Let's explore that in the next chapter. The subconscious mind and quantum reality. Your subconscious mind is far more powerful than you realize. It's not just a storage unit for memories and emotions. It's a quantum processor, operating beyond the limits of time, space, and physical reality. Think about this. Scientists have discovered that, much like quantum particles, the subconscious mind doesn't follow the rigid rules of classical physics. Instead, it exists in a state of infinite possibilities, influencing not only your own personal reality, but also the world around you. This means that your thoughts, beliefs, and emotions exist in a quantum state, constantly interacting with the energetic fabric of the universe. And here's where things get truly fascinating. When you change the energy of your subconscious mind, you can literally transform your life. How the subconscious mind shapes reality. But how does this actually work? How does an intangible thought or emotion affect the physical world? To answer this, we need to turn to a groundbreaking discovery in quantum physics, the observer effect. Scientists have found that when an observer focuses on a quantum system, it causes the wave of possibilities to collapse into a single, tangible reality. In other words, observation influences what becomes real. Now let's connect this back to the subconscious mind. Every single day, your thoughts and emotions are observing reality at a quantum level, collapsing certain possibilities into existence while filtering out others. If you're constantly thinking thoughts of lack, fear, or limitation, those are the probabilities you're reinforcing in your life. But if you train your subconscious to focus on abundance, success, and positive outcomes, then those realities become more probable. This is why people who consistently believe in their success tend to succeed, while those who constantly expect failure often experience just that. It's not just psychology, it's quantum mechanics in action. The subconscious mind as a quantum field. Here's another way to look at it. Your subconscious mind is like a quantum field filled with infinite possibilities. At any given moment, there are countless potential versions of you, versions where you are wealthy, happy, and thriving, and versions where you struggle, doubt, and remain stuck. The version of you that becomes real is the one that aligns with your dominant subconscious energy. This is why it's so crucial to become aware of your mental programming, because the thoughts you think habitually are literally shaping the quantum reality you experience. Reprogramming the subconscious for quantum manifestation. So how do you take control? How do you reprogram your subconscious mind to align with the reality you actually want? The key is intention and focus. Just like a quantum particle collapses into form when observed, your thoughts and emotions shape reality when you direct them with clarity and purpose. Here are 3 steps to start reprogramming your subconscious and tapping into quantum reality. 1. Quantum visualization. Seeing the future as now. Your brain doesn't know the difference between a real experience and a vividly imagined one. When you visualize your desired outcome with strong emotion, your subconscious begins aligning with that version of reality. The key is to feel as if it's already happening. 2. emotional frequency alignment. Becoming a vibrational match, your dominant emotions determine what reality you attract. If you constantly feel stress or doubt, you are tuning into that frequency. Practice gratitude, joy, and confidence to raise your vibration and attract positive quantum outcomes. 3. Daily affirmations and neural reprogramming. Repeating empowering statements rewires your subconscious mind. Over time, these new beliefs become automatic, altering your energetic signature. The more you reinforce a belief, the stronger its quantum impact becomes. The power of becoming a conscious observer. At the core of all this is one truth. You are the observer of your reality. Whether you realize it or not, you are already influencing the quantum field with every thought, every belief, and every emotion you hold. The question is, are you doing it consciously or unconsciously? Are you allowing your subconscious programming to run on autopilot, shaping a reality by default? Or will you take back control, rewrite your internal code, and intentionally create the life you desire? This is the secret of those who achieve incredible success, intuition, and effortless manifestation. They have learned to use their minds as quantum instruments, aligning their subconscious with the reality they want to experience. How to tap into your hidden quantum energy. So, how do you use quantum entanglement to unlock your hidden energy? Here are 3 powerful techniques. 1. Quantum visualization and meditation. Sit in a quiet place and visualize a glowing energy connecting you to the universe. Imagine your thoughts as waves influencing reality. Focus on an intention and feel it happening in the present moment. 2. Emotion and frequency alignment. High-frequency emotions like gratitude and love raise your energy. Negative emotions block your quantum connection. Practice daily affirmations to align with higher frequencies. 3. Energy field synchronization, quantum breathing. Breathe in deeply, visualizing energy entering your body. Exhale, releasing negative blocks. Synchronize breath with a mental intention. How to tap into your hidden quantum energy. Now that you understand how quantum entanglement and your subconscious mind shape your reality, the next question is, how can you tap into this hidden quantum energy? How can you harness this power to create the life you desire? The truth is, this energy has always been within you. But most people go through life unaware of it, disconnected from their natural ability to shape reality. Today, I'm going to share 3 powerful techniques that will help you unlock this quantum energy and consciously direct it toward success, intuition, and abundance. 1. Quantum visualization and meditation. The first and most powerful tool is quantum visualization. This technique allows you to synchronize your subconscious mind with the quantum field, collapsing possibilities into the reality you desire. Steps to practice quantum visualization. Find a quiet space. Sit comfortably in a place with no distractions. Close your eyes and take deep, slow breaths. Visualize a glowing energy field. Imagine a radiant energy surrounding your body, expanding beyond you, connecting with the universe. See your thoughts as waves. Picture your thoughts as ripples in the quantum field influencing the very fabric of reality. Focus on an intention. Whether it's success, health, love, or abundance, imagine it happening right now. Feel it as already real. The secret is in the feeling. Your emotions amplify the quantum effect, so immerse yourself in the joy and gratitude of already having it. Remember, the universe doesn't respond to what you want, it responds to what you believe and feel as already real. The more vividly you visualize and the deeper your emotions, the faster the quantum field responds. 2. Emotion and frequency alignment. Your emotions are energy, and just like radio frequencies, your emotional state determines what you tune into in the quantum field. If your dominant emotions are fear, doubt, or stress, you are vibrating at a low frequency, attracting more of the same energy into your life. But when you shift into high-frequency emotions like love, joy, and gratitude, you align yourself with positive quantum realities. How to raise your energy frequency. Practice daily gratitude. Each morning, list at least 3 things you're truly grateful for. Gratitude is one of the highest vibrational states. Reframe negative thoughts. When you catch yourself thinking negatively, replace it with an empowering belief. Use daily affirmations. Words carry vibration. Speak affirmations like, I am powerful, I am abundant, I am connected to infinite possibilities. Surround yourself with high vibes. The people, music, and content you engage with all affect your energy field. Choose uplifting influences. Your energy attracts its own kind. The higher you elevate your frequency, the more effortlessly you align with quantum possibilities of abundance, love, and success. Number 3, energy field synchronization, quantum breathing. Your breath is more than just oxygen. It's a bridge between your mind, body, and quantum energy field. When you practice intentional breathing, you synchronize your energy with the universe and remove the blocks that hold you back. Quantum breathing technique. Step 1. Inhale deeply. Breathe in for 4 seconds, visualizing pure, radiant energy entering your body. Feel it charging every cell. Step 2. Hold the breath. Hold for 4 seconds, allowing the energy to circulate and expand. Step 3. Exhale slowly. Release for 6 seconds, visualizing all negativity, stress, and blocks dissolving into the air. Step 4. Synchronize with intention. With each breath cycle, silently repeat an intention. I am in perfect alignment with my highest energy. This simple practice instantly elevates your frequency, recharges your energy, and aligns your subconscious mind with the quantum field, becoming a master of your quantum energy. Now that you understand these 3 techniques, quantum visualization, emotional frequency alignment, and energy synchronization, the key is consistent practice. The more you engage with these methods, the more you'll experience powerful shifts in your reality. The people who seem to effortlessly manifest success aren't lucky. They've simply learned how to align their energy with the universe and direct their subconscious mind toward their desired outcome. You are not separate from the universe. You are an integral part of it, entangled with infinite possibilities. The moment you embrace this truth and actively shape your energy, you become the creator of your reality. Final thoughts and next steps. Now, I challenge you. Try these techniques for the next 21 days. Observe how your energy shifts, how your intuition sharpens, and how reality begins to align in unexpected ways. If you've had any experiences where your thoughts directly influenced reality, share them in the comments. I'd love to hear your stories. And if you found this video powerful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our deep dives into the mysteries of the universe. Until next time, keep expanding your mind, keep raising your energy, and remember, you are entangled with infinite possibilities.